Hello everyone, welcome to our innovative polyurethane adhesive trial run. So what we're going to do today is combine our two components, our isocyanate and our polyol with crosslinker using this connector head, and we're going to mix our components together to create our polyurethane formulation. What we're going to be doing with these two slightly longer pieces is mimicking a synthetic nerve allograft system, which will be used to help restore damaged nerves. So what we're going to be doing now is taking our two components, our isocyanate and our polyol and crosslinker mixture, and we're going to connect it with this connector. So now what we're going to do after mixing for about 30 seconds is push everything onto one side and uncap the second syringe. So we're going to keep the applicator head on, uncap this side of the syringe. And now with the remaining amount, we're going to place a little dot here. And remember, this will mimic our nerve allograft system. We're going to spread it evenly. And so now we can stick it together, press gently for a few seconds, and we will set it down and come back and test its adherence. Welcome back. So it's been 3 minutes and the formulation has set completely. And so here we can see the film to film test that we've created, and it's showing great adherence. It's not coming apart. And this is only after 3 minutes, the formulation is completely set. So what we have here is a similar polyurethane film. However, it's in a ring shape to mimic a nerve allograft system, which can be wrapped around damaged nerve to repair it. So as you can see here, this also has very, very great adherence and has set up after 3 minutes.